know, now you people come to know how to understand what is clinical thermometer and how to measure the temperature of a human body or a patient with the help of this clinical thermometer. Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no?
Sir.
Now, after this, like laboratory
Yes,
thermometer, we should read next one. Precautions in using a clinical thermometer. What is our next concept? Precautions in using
Precautions.
clinical thermometer. You should keep heading. The next concept which we are going to study is precautions. What it is?
Precautions.
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 Precautions in using a
Precautions.
clinical
In
thermometer.
use.
Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, let us comes to here. What is the first precaution we should take care when we are using this clinical thermometer? Let us discuss that, and later we should note. So you always remember, when we are using the clinical thermometer, it should be washed before and after use. That is what the thing you should remember first one. So what is the first one, Ra? It should be washed. Understanding? It
Wash.
should be washed. We have already discussed why. We have to make it free from the germs. Is it yes or no? We have to use some antiseptic liquids or
Yes,
clean
sir.
water. It should be washed. That is the first thing you should remember. It should be washed before and
It should be washed.
before and
Yes, sir.
after use. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So like that, if it comes to here, this is the first precaution which we should make. So how we can wash, Mari? With the hand? We can wash with we can wash with what? We can wash
Antiseptic solution.
or with the
Hot water.
hot water or clean water. Okay, that is the first thing. Next, coming to the second one. As we know that before using the clinical thermometer, understand, we should ensure that the mercury level in its tube is below 35-degree mark. Why? Why? Because it is the minimum temperature we can measure with this one is 35 degrees Celsius. So that is why before going to check the body temperature, we have to give few jerks so that the mercury level should be what? It should be below 35 degrees Celsius. Do you understand?
Below the 35 degrees Celsius.
That is
Yes, sir.
second one. That is the second precaution which we should take care. That is what? Before using the clinical thermometer, we should ensure that the mercury level in its tube is below 35-degree mark. You should note it down. We should ensure that. We should ensure that what? Sorry.
We should ensure that
We should ensure that the mercury level should be below 35-degree mark. Understanding? Before using comma, you can keep, before going for measuring temperature. Measuring shortcut I'm writing Mari, temperature TEMP dot. Is it okay, Mari? Before temperature.
Yes,
so that
sir.
is the precaution which we should take care. Now let us comes to the third precaution. What is the third precaution? Can you able to say? Any guess? What we should do? Now we have to read. I said you already know that very well. Last class you have studied. While you are reading clinical thermometer, by keeping the level of mercury along the what? By keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight, along the line of sight.
Line of sight. Sir, you told we want to keep it horizontally, sir.
Yeah, no, horizontally. Later you should rotate it like this. This is also called as line of sight. Do you understand, Mari? We have to see always like this view. This
Yes,
view
sir.
is called horizontal view. If you are seeing like this, it is vertical view. We have to see like this. Is it okay, Mari? Line of
Yes,
sight.
sir. Yes, sir.
Always we have to measure the temperature. Understanding? Read the clinical thermometer along the line of sight. That is the third one. Read the. What is that? Read the
Read.
clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer. How we need to read, Mari? Thermometer by keeping the mercury level.
Right.
By keeping the mercury level. How? Mercury level along the line of sight.
Along the line of sight.
Do you understand, Rahari? That is the
Yes, sir.
third question which we should take care. Now let us come to the fourth one. Can you guess it, Mari? Anything? Can you guess it? What is the fourth precaution? Now, suppose you have measured the body temperature. Is it? Can you keep it directly? Can you keep it directly?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes or no? Yes or no? Give some jerks. Is it yes or no? So handle the clinical thermometer with care. Why? Because if it breaks, what will happen? It hits against some hard objects, it will break, and it is made with a glass surface, and it is inside, it contains a poisonous
Sir,
liquid.
my network is very low, sir. Wait a minute, sir.
What? Okay, I will wait. I will wait, Mari. Okay, Mari? Okay? Do you understand, Ra? Mari? Now, that is Hari, are you there in meeting? So let us come to here. The fourth precaution will observe. The clinical thermometer should never be held by the bulb. So while you are reading it, what will happen? While you are reading, if you are never be held by the bulb while you are reading it. Why? Because if you touch the bulb, what will happen, Rahari? If you touch the bulb, then temperature of our body it will measure. So while we are reading it, we should not understand it. We should not
Touch that bulb.
we should not touch mercury bulb. Why, Ra? Because
Sir, because while we touching, it will measure our body's temperature, sir.
touch mercury bulb. Why? Understanding by measuring temperature. By measuring or by reading temperature. By reading temperature of a patient, because it will measure our temperature if we touch the bulb. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What you should remember.
Sir.
The last point, we have to handle with what? We have to handle with
Carefully.
care. Understanding, because if it will hit with a hard surface, if it will hit, understanding, hit with hard surface, what will happen, Mari? Hit with hard
It
surface.
will break, sir.
Hard surface, it will break. It will break. So that is what. So these are the 5 precautions which we should take care while we are handling the clinical thermometer. Do you understanding, Ra? Clinical thermometer.
Yes, sir.
This is all about the what is clinical thermometer and how we need to measure the. Understand, we have done one activity. I have explained the activity, how to measure the temperature of a clinical thermometer. Understand, and as well as the precautions. So
Yes, sir.
with this, I will stop the today's session. In tomorrow's class, we'll study what is the temperature range present in the clinical thermometer, and each division in this clinical thermometer, it is indicating how much. Understanding. The comparison. What is the comparison between this clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer? That is all. We will continue from here. We'll continue in the tomorrow's class. But now, in our class works, all of you understanding. I will give this PDF. Whatever I have written now, Maria, I can send it through a PDF also now. Understand? So now, you all must need to draw
Yes,
this diagram in our classwork. Will you able to draw? This diagram must draw in our
Yes,
class.
sir.
Must draw in classwork. CW. Everybody must draw. This is, and I will erase
Yes,
this.
sir.
All of you take screenshot. You have to draw this, understanding very perfectly like this exactly in our classwork. Will you do it or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about
Yes,
the
sir.
class. I
Sir.
hope you understand very well. So from here,
Yes, sir.
we'll continue tomorrow. Is it okay, Hari? Mari?
Sir, can you please show the precautions, third and fifth points, sir?
Yes, sir.
You want third 50 point? It's okay. Then let us
Yes,
come
sir.
to here. You can observe. So third point precaution, you can see Mari. So the third point of this one is understand. Read the clinical thermometer by keeping the mercury level along the line of sight. Understanding. Always we have to, while we are measuring, we have to understand, keep it horizontal and we have to rotate it slowly, and we have to measure always by keeping the mercury level to your line of sight, and the top level of the mercury is the body temperature. Understand, Mari? That is the third
Yes,
precaution.
sir.
Coming to the fourth precaution, we should not touch the mercury bulb by measuring or reading the temperature of a patient, because it will measure our body temperature. If you touch the mercury bulb, it will
Sir,
measure our
fifth, sir,
temperature.
fifth point, sir.
Yes or no? That is the reason. So like that, if we
Yes,
come to
sir.
the last one, we have to handle with the care, because if it will understanding, if it will touch with the hard surface, if it will understanding hit with the hit here, not hit, if it will hit HIT, if it will hit with the hard surface, it will break. So that what will happen later, it will never measure the body temperature. That is why. So these are the precautions which we take while we are handling the clinical thermometer. Now,
The thermometer.
from the first, you can say in today's class we have studied these many things. So what is, can you able to say what is the learning outcomes which you have studied in the today's class? First, we have studied what is the understanding normal.
What is
temperature of human
clinical
body.
thermometer?
What is clinical thermometer? And next one, why we are using this
And
clinical thermometer?
Special features of clinical thermometer.
Measure this for a temperature of human body, and it is only present with the doctors and or else it is in our home. So the special features, if it comes to here you can keep heading, understanding. Two special features of, how many special features it has? Two special features.
Two.
Is it or no? So anyhow, first we should learn, already it is
Yes,
written.
sir.
It is having a nick or narrow or sharp bend of understanding mercury thermometer. Understand, it is having it is a specially designed thermometer to measure the temperature of whom, Ramari? Human body. Understand? So it is
Human
having
body.
special features. What is that? Short range of measuring temperatures, that is 35 degrees to 42 degrees Celsius, because our human body does not go below 35 degrees Celsius or above 42 degrees Celsius. That is the two features. Yes or no?
Okay.
And the second
Yes,
one,
sir.
are constriction. It is having a constriction which will prevent the prevent, which is present above the mercury bulb, and it will prevent backflow of mercury when it removed from mouth of a patient. So these are the two features, special features of clinical thermometer, and it will give the correct body temperature even if after removing from the patient mouth. Understand? So
Yes, sir.
how we can get back into the below 35 degrees Celsius, understand thermometer mercury level by giving, mercury can brought down by giving few jerks to it, so that the temperature will fall into less than 35 degrees Celsius. Is it yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So later what we have studied? What we have studied later? We have studied that it will be,
Precautions.
done one activity, how to measure the temperature of a human body, and as well as later we have studied that what are the precautions we should take
Precautions, sir.
while we are measuring the measuring the temperature
Human body.
of a human body. What kind of safety measures or else precautions we should take while we are measuring the temperature. So these all are we have studied in the today's class. Is it yes, Hari?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So that is all. So with this, I'm going to end the today's session. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you, Mari. Thank you, Hari. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.